Hi, and welcome to my sewing room. We are super excited today. We've got one of the new launch machines that released fall of 2023 to Canada. And this is Brothers Stelliare XE2 embroidery only machine. And I'm thrilled about this machine. So let's unbox it together and we'll see what's coming with it and why you might want to make this machine part of your collection at home. So I've got Chelsea.
Okay.
You can start here again. So inside the big outer box is a box for the embroidery module portion of the machine. And usually in with the embroidery modules, we're going to find both a module and hoops, all carefully packed together. What's that first hoop coming out? Oh, it's so big. Is that the 9.5 by 14? It's awesome. Yes. Ooh, that looks like the 5 by 7. We get to open that styrofoam bit up. And there is the module. Lovely. With a spool of bobbin thread to get you started. And a little bit of stabilizer. Just a little sample piece. Big enough to practice using that 5 by 7 hoop that comes with the machine. And then a little bit more tape to get into the next portion of the box that has the main head of the sewing machine. And some more of the accessories. Packing cardboard. All important packing cardboard.
More safety tape.
Ooh, yes, safety tape. And there's an accessory bag. We'll open that on a close-up cam here in a moment. Power cord. That looks like bobbins.
And other goodies.
Ooh, and other goodies. We'll unpack that too.
A lot of other goodies.
Ooh. Instruction manual and embroidery design guide. The embroidery design guide will have all the thread color charts for the built-in designs. Usually another layer of styrofoam or cardboard in the top of these boxes. And then more styrofoam. If you happen to be somebody who couldn't fit the bigger portion of this box in your car all by itself, you could definitely leave the store with the 2 inner boxes and then reassemble the box at home if you're keeping the box long term.
Almost there.
Almost there.
It's pretty.
Ooh, I'm super excited.
Should I take off the covering so you can see it? Or should we do it over there?
How about you take off the covering right there, and then it can come out all pretty. It is pretty. So Stelliare XE2, you'll notice that little Mickey Mouse on the front. That means this is a Disney machine and it has the licensed Disney designs built right into it, which is always super exciting. And you'll note there's no slide-on accessory box because this is an embroidery only machine. You'll just have the embroidery features ready to go all the time. So we're going to switch cameras around here to show you those bags of extra goodies and show you the machine up close as well. Okay, now after the magic of television, we're back with Chelsea here in studio. And we'll show you guys some of the other things that are coming with this machine. Always at the beginning of any new brother, there's a whole bunch of fancy blue tape that needs to come off that just keeps everything in place during transit. It's one of my favorite parts about unboxing machines, peeling the blue tape. And the other thing I noticed right away is that the machine is shipping with the W plus foot installed, which is the upgraded needlepoint laser embroidery foot. So you'll see exactly where the needle's going to penetrate your fabric.
That's cool.
Super cool, right?
Blowing my mind right now. This is great.
Okay, what else is coming with this machine, Chels?
I couldn't wait to turn it on. I did.
Just went for
it's
on. Secondary spool cap or spool pin. Pack of needles to get you started. Screwdriver. And a thread net in case you have thread that's slinky or slippery. And then you've got the small spool cap that will fit in the cone style threads similar to Isocord.
That's my favorite spool cap.
Right. And the medium spool cap. Oh, the large and the medium and the small. All sorts of good stuff.
Another thread net.
Another thread net. Sweet.
And another medium.
Yeah, often there's two mediums because there is a secondary spool pin.
Fantastic.
So if you had thread on one spool pin and you were winding a bobbin. Pair of scissors. And a needle plate cover. And a lint brush. And a bigger screwdriver. That one's nice for either tightening the hoops or your presser foot. A stylus for on screen. And a seam ripper because unfortunately, as much as we tried, sometimes we're not perfect when we sew and embroider.
Definitely not me.
It's practice. And even with practice, sometimes you're just not perfect. Disc-shaped screwdriver, that's the one I like to use to take the stitch plate off to clean underneath around the bobbin case. What was in the other two bags of goodies?
I don't
There's more
know.
goodies than
I'm so excited.
There's more goodies than I anticipated. Bobbins,
There's 9 in here.
and there's one in the machine already.
That's 10 bobbins.
And you'll be able to use pre-wound bobbins with this machine. So it takes class 15 bobbins if you want to buy pre-wounds. And there's bobbin clips so that your bobbin threads don't just tie themselves in a knot in the drawer. That little plastic thing is plastic and metal. If you happen to buy pre-wounds that are the wrong size, say L class, that is your tool to help make your bobbins the right size. So
I really am curious.
oh, I think I know what that is.
Do you? What is it? I'm excited.
There's a couched alphabet with this machine.
I think you're right, Leah.
So this should be a cord threading guide for the couching, for the yarn.
Oh, this is cool.
And that is the couching foot, embroidery foot, and the yarn guide. Cool. So that'll all clip on to allow you to actually run that couched alphabet. Very cool.
And this plugs in to this foot?
Plugs into the back of the machine.
Oh, okay. Oh, is this part of the foot?
Yes. But better to not transport the machine with things plugged in. That could come off. So that yarn guide will go there.
Going too low.
those days where you can't see what you're doing. There we go.
Yeah. Cute.
So,
That screen is huge.
yes. So it's got the embroidery features. It is $251. Oh, September 5th of 2023. Oh, they're going to know what day we filmed this.
It's too late. 2:53?
251. Can you go backwards through the hours?
I don't know.
You're both.
I was halfway there. Now we'll go. The
Oh, you can.
answer is yes.
Initialize. Wake up the arm. And the Stelliare 2, XE2, is Wi-Fi capable, so it is compatible with the Artspira app. And also, you are able to send designs wirelessly from PE Design 11. So, there's some very cool designs in here.
Yeah. So cool. Oh, that's neat. What's this one? Look at how cute they are.
Right?
That is adorable. What's this button do, Leah?
There's some embroidered buttonholes in that category.
Oh, this is that couched alphabet section.
Ooh, no, I
right?
think Couched Alphabet will be in here.
Oh,
In C.
and C for couching.
I think so.
That would make sense. Oh, that's cool.
They're big designs too.
Yeah, this would be really neat on blankets for babies.
Oh, that'd be cute.
That'd be so fun. You could
We'll
make
have to
some
stitch one of
really
these
cool
out.
stuff. Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we will.
You know we need to. This is cool.
So the machine also has my design center, which gives you lots of decorative opportunities. And it will be functional with my Snap app. And there's some very cool functionality in this machine. So watch for more videos. Oh, well, there's Disney.
Like Frozen.
You like Frozen?
Oh, look, Dumbo's in there.
Aladdin's in there too.
Yeah, Aladdin. Oh, Simba.
He's so cute.
Well, I know what I'm doing tomorrow.
Oh, Alice in Wonderland.
So cute. This is Snow White. So this must be all the princesses.
Yes.
Oh, this has so many options. And we can't normally get any Disney in Canada unless it comes in a brother.
Right?
So this is...
Disney is tightly licensed, so if the machine is Disney capable, you'll get the Disney designs that are available for it. So
He
cute.
is for Pooh.
So cute.
This is great. And I love how it actually shows you your whole thread list right here
Yes.
before we even get to embroidery.
Right?
So you can get set.
Yes.
This is awesome, Leah. I'm having way too much fun. Was there another folder I need to poke in?
Oh, that's cute.
You know we need that in the store.
We need all of them. Any more time. Maybe another machine at home.
So cute.
So that's your initial... You gonna come back and join me? Or are you gonna keep playing on the machine? So that is your first introduction to the Brother Stelliare XE2 embroidery only machine. Some of the great things that are available to add onto this machine are some of the new magnetic hoops. There's
Cool.
a number of magnetic hoops that will work. So if you don't enjoy hooping a traditional way, there's a few more options and they're compatible with this machine. And there are lots more hoop sizes beyond what is shipping with it. So you can find a hoop exactly right for your project.
You can get an itsy bitsy hoop.
Maybe a 6x10 hoop.
6x10 would be good. A 4x4.
Yeah. But add in as you
As you need it.
As you need it. This would be a great machine if you're already running a standalone embroidery machine, but you're kind of stuck at the 6x10 size and you'd like to go up, because the 9.5x14 hoop that comes with this is massive.
Yeah, that was big. That surprised me. I didn't realize that this one had that big of a hoop. I was like, oh, we're going to pull out like an 8x12.
Yeah. No,
that's where I thought we were stopping, but we didn't.
We went higher. So this is one of a pair of machines. The XJ1 or XJ2, the other Stellaire, is sewing and embroidery combo. So depending which what you need in your sewing space to make your sewing and embroidery experience phenomenal, we're happy to help you find the right machine for you. Thanks for joining us here at my sewing room.
Bye.
Take care.